If you are encountering issues sending friend requests on Facebook, then consider these steps to resolve the problem. Firstly, sending numerous friend requests in a short period can trigger Facebook security measures, temporarily restricting your ability to send more requests. And if you have been restricted, the block typically lasts several hours to several days. Also, know that some users restrict who can send them friend requests. If the add friend button is absent on a profile, it may be due to their privacy settings. In such cases, you can follow them instead to see their updates. Now, also, ensure that the person you are trying to add has not blocked you or deactivated their account. If they have blocked you, you won't be able to send a friend request. Similarly, if their account is deactivated, the option to add them will be unavailable. So that is it. Occasionally, Facebook may temporarily restrict your ability to send friend requests due to unusual activity as well. If this happens, it's best to wait for the restriction to lift before attempting to send more requests. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.